Ya kata ke website batmai ban pensuk ya kisamla ba apply scholarship ne bai bam lawan ban pli da umintri katnat pule ga jella u Dr. Asil lalu ha ga jingalang ga balong ha committee room jong ka secretariat ha ringkat ga jingdon lang ki he sarkar jong ka tanat pule puthi lemba kata ke website kisamla pule na ka jella nang ni syakmat kila ban pendap ki form bat kiwe ki jingdon kam nalayeng ne na kino ki jaka bagi don ki bor internet sendaron kam shu ban nek pinbon kam yeladi ha ki office sarkar lani ha ki jaka pule katkum ka jingit hu da commissioner secretary kate katnat uba DP walang laong baki don hadu nyopo hajar ngut kisamla ki ban mentoy na kate ka rukom apply by bam bat mai Karba State Technical Director ke NIC uba Timothy Dakhar ula pentip bagi samla pulih ki bomdan ya ki core internet kila banet ki common service center ki badan ha ki benta bapher jong kajalla ban pendap hangte ya ki form apply by bam katkum ke jingit hu jong u lemba kate ka rukom trekam batmai ki samla kim darong kam shu ban rakot rasla banet hepat syaki jaka pulih ki kumba jule manla kapor henry mentapan ki hap ban shupha bet lemba ki core internet bat kite ki jingtip baro kila poi hi syakani ke jaka pulih bat syakit nat sarkar
I think right from 83, I've been education minister. And I've seen the accumulated paperwork that we have, not only in my office but everywhere. But I feel the most important role which has been played by the department will be of very, very important in nature, and it really serve the purpose depending on our friends here at the press. I feel that it is I request you to inform the public so that they will know that this is what the department is doing. I feel I should mention also one thing. You might have noticed this time when the DHT, the Director of Higher and Technical Education, decided to send students for higher studies for engineering and for some other courses. The question of my approval does not arise.
mentang nya sangam ya ga jing batai na ki agnut ki he jong ka NIC
ka purpose jong kini ka state scholarship portal kalong ba kandan kawai ke single window for all the scholarships ka baka government ka provide ya ki students kita kemud napo ka education department kita ki scholarship schemes ki jong ki napo social welfare department kita ki scholarship scheme jong ki napo border area department kita ki scholarship schemes ki bar khot kini ki scholarship scheme kendan ha kawai ke portal but kena apply ting ba kani ke portal ya kita ki scheme ki bapher ki ni suthu ya kata kendan ke jingya namta ka connectivity issue hentai menta ki don kini ki common service center kum baul ong commissioner secretary IT mena kum basispa prapo li kini ki community service center kilong functioning hapok gate ke state jongi tie kini ki community service center kidan hamal ki kentot jongi snong te ki student kila balik situ ban avail ke ya facilities ban len ban submit online application through KCSE kila apat nasibun ki jimentoi kini student but at the same time ru ngi ongi student sibo kibadan sajan kini ki CHC nomor ki CHC ru kila don ki visat dan ki don sapo ki block ru kila don ki visat kila don ke swan ti apo district center ru ki don ke NIC center kila benlek Chekitu center so there are so many government you can say like service center kila man available the facilities bi kani ka scholarship ka de tang system te lata u khna u hab ban one session long ban sambet yaka u hab ban pulut yaka por u hab ban pulut ru yaka pisa ka bon hab wan lingba ka kali balik ban wan te lata u pulut tang ka por kumlu balik sejan kani ka community center kabahajan ke selong jo ti lada kade ba kasimpor lai kenta ko mapiru kan layu banyak bau habban wat selong kini ki ki activities ba government ka persyang bela kat bala kumlo ban provide facilities ha ka doorstep jong kibrio te la kampadan kita facilities te ni request ye ki student bakin let sekino kino ki CSC ki ba kham se jan besno ki ni ya shapang kene ni ya rekam lang bat kini ki institutions pi ba kinirap maki ban hika ye ki student haknur kom bikin apply kham tamle la rek la don ki ya broadband ha pong institution ki kin hikai kumno bikin yarap makin apply online ye ki student
ki hak banle ka one time registration one time mi ka baroka academic life jongki tang shisien takmut hak shisien kapor class 10 shmut ki apply class 11 ki apply gani post matric scholarship tin hak class 12 pat ki hak shu apply tang ka renewal kim don kam shu ban re-register lani lada kile ka BA ne ka BCom ne ka ME kim don kam shu ban re-register ka de one time registration dia ni ka one time registration ki kena kin publish kan ka website ka bade ka maxscholarship.gov.in hang ni nang ta sa click ya kan ni ka batho new student registration ti hang ni kini ki kena ki ban pulih bhai kini barok khot bala tho hang ni nang ta sa click ya kan ni show registration form ting kawai ngako ban ong ha ka por ba ki kena ki register kini ki details ki de ban pikir bah bakim de ban make any mistakes namar ba kam don option ban delete ne ban edit tilada ki kena ki bakla ha kapor baki pendap ikan ni ka registration form ki hak ban tho da ka shiti shau director higher and technical education ban request ya ka ban wen ya ka ni ka detail jong ki hak ban pikir bah kum ka kerteng jong applicant kerteng jong kbi kpa ka gender ka religion nang ta ka mobile number ka long very important balai namar ba hakapor bang issue new number ni ki SMS alert ki bangi pha ki kena hakapor baka scholarship form ka apoi syae ka long kumnu ka wan link baka SMS alert tilada ki enter bakla new mobile number kin mi oi ka suka alert similarly ka ni ka email ID ru ka long very important namar ka ni ka email ID ka baki enter hang ni ka long ka login ID yaki syakani ka portal tigi kini ki kena ki ba coba kin pendap yo ni email ID kini ban plate saya ka email jongki kidon ki kena ki bala don lupa ka email henrei ki klet no yo password nomor kimju pendon kam ti kini ban plate sha ban pet baki kin mau yo password no ti nak ta kham tam ngak ban ong nak benta kini ki kena ki bedon da Yahoo account nomor Yahoo udon different domain names udon yahoo.com.yahoo.co.in so many domain names ti hakapor baki login ha ka Yahoo mail kam jumpa ni ka domain name ka pantang ka user ID ti ki haban tip tikna ba ka de ka @yahoo.com ne ka yahoo.co.in ti nak ta kin enter ya ka ne ka correspondence address detail bat ka ne ka permanent address ndakila enter kini ki haban enter kat bami ki dap hang ni nang ta sa click save above details and register me tenda kila successful ha kanika ban pendap kanika form kan sawan ke SMS alert kan select dulu ke WK email shaka email jongki dia kanika SMS alert jongki ke bagi yo kin sa yo login ID but password jong kanika registration jong kanika portal but hapo ke email pre kan sawan ka one time pin tilada ki kena ki bakla ya kanika email address kinum yo one time pin kata kemud kinum la ban pendap ya ka registration tilada kim la ban pendap ka registration kinum la ban apply bank di ban don ka bank ban don core banking ban IFSC code ti hakani ka software jongi ka don ka we ka option ka ba ki la ban chu click ham tu lada kim tip yo IFSC code ki la ban chu click into option kan sa and fill up few details like for instance kin haban ai ka kerteng jong ka state kerteng jong ka bank ka branch name and automatically the software can generate ya auto IFSC